This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Dry event's not legal. It's probably all blocked with stuff, almost guarantee it. Smelling gas. I think it's this vent thing that's a flippin' mess. Things aren't being vented outside. It's flopping in the wind here. It's no good. You gotta do something else with that. I can't leave that like that. Might have to go with a couple of elbows. That's not gonna work. We're gonna do something different here. Alright, so I jacked the legs up. I was able to put a 45 on there. I did check for gas leaks. I didn't see them, but I think it was this thing, and this is not legal anyway. See, it was ripped. I think that might have been what the problem was. I'll get a couple of screws in there, and that might take care of it. We'll have to see. I'll be able to just reconnect it right there. It should be fine. We'll try that. I did raise the whole thing up to match that. We'll see if it's blowing outside. Alright, I'm getting a good flow here out of this. So it's not blocked. It's not blocked. If it was blocked, I wouldn't be getting the flow here, right? I wouldn't be getting the flow if it was blocked. It's kind of a little bit of a run.